So this is a cake that was ordered immediately after the black one. In case you have no idea what I'm talking about, just check the video right before this one, and it's about the black cake that was ordered by this South African lady who saw my videos from Facebook. And this time around she wanted a vanilla cake, 6-inch. The previous cake was 8-inch, so she wanted a 6-inch cake, vanilla, flavored with vanilla white chocolate buttercream, yes. And in this video you're going to see me changing my cake boards so many times because, as I mentioned in the previous video, this cake was ordered immediately after the other one was delivered. So this was meant to be delivered in under 24 hours or approximately 24 hours later. So I had to wait for my supplies to be delivered, and while waiting I just had to continue with my work. So I had to use whatever was ready in hand, knowing that I could just easily switch the cake to its correct board when it arrives. And kind of funny, I remember different shops had different boards, so I had to wait for 2 deliveries to be made that day, hence why you see me changing them at different points. Next thing is, I don't know what really got to me to use rainbow vermicelli instead, or rainbow hundreds and thousands instead of white ones, because white ones would have been much easier to color in rose gold. But anyways, we move. So now to airbrush my cake in rose gold, I covered my cake board with cling film and then used the manual airbrush, which I hate, but I don't hate it as much as the electric airbrush. And considering how messy they are, airbrushing is, I just opted to do this outside instead of continue filming because I didn't want to mess up the whole house. But yeah, that's how it turned out. The lady really loved this one too. So yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.